For all you 20-somethings seeking savvy methods to earn extra cash, you've landed in the perfect spot. Today, we're unveiling 8 incredible ways to make money in your 20s, paving the way for future financial triumph. So, without further ado, let's dive right into these fantastic opportunities. Freelancing. Freelancing in your 20s is an empowering and versatile way to earn money. Whether you excel in writing, graphic design, programming, or any other expertise, the demand for freelancers is significant. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients, allowing you to showcase your talents and build a portfolio. Beyond the monetary rewards, freelancing offers the freedom to choose projects that ignite your passion. Each completed project adds a gem to your portfolio, attracting future high-profile clients. Additionally, forging connections with clients opens doors to long-term partnerships and referrals. Sure, there might be some challenges along the way, but fear not, as each hurdle becomes an opportunity to strengthen your resilience and adaptability. So, dive into freelancing wholeheartedly, nurturing both your personal and financial growth. Consider these freelance adventures as stepping stones guiding you towards a future brimming with flourishing and profoundly satisfying career pursuits. Online content creation. Turn your profound passion into a captivating content creation journey. It could be anything from cooking up culinary delights, immersing yourself in the gaming universe, inspiring others on their fitness journey, or staying up to date with the latest fashion trends. Platforms like YouTube and other social media channels are your canvas to showcase your passions and turn them into a rewarding and fulfilling venture. As your audience grows, so do the monetary rewards through advertisements, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Embrace dedication and consistency as you indulge in what brings you joy, turning your passion into a fruitful and fulfilling venture. Let your creativity and enthusiasm shine as you connect with others who share your interests. It's the perfect fusion of personal pleasure and financial success, making content creation an exhilarating and gratifying path to explore. So, take the leap and turn your passion into a source of income while doing what you love most. Investing in the stock market. Venturing into the stock market may seem daunting, but it's a powerful tool to grow your financial assets. Start by understanding investment basics, such as stocks, bonds, and diversification. With just a few taps on your smartphone or clicks on your computer, you can buy and sell stocks, track your portfolio's performance, and stay informed about the latest market trends. Remember, long-term investments yield satisfying results, so be patient and make informed decisions. The stock market's magic lies in compounding, where your money grows over time. Stay focused on your financial goals and risk tolerance. With preparation and well-researched choices, you can confidently navigate the stock market journey and reap rewarding outcomes. Success in this endeavor is more akin to a marathon than a sprint, but rest assured, your dedication will yield fruitful rewards in the long run. Real estate ventures. Real estate investment in your 20s can be financially rewarding. You don't need to buy properties outright. Explore real estate investment trusts, REITs, or collaborate with others for joint ventures. REITs let you indirectly invest in real estate without owning properties directly, offering diversification and potential rental income and appreciation. Joint ventures allow pooling resources with other investors for collective investments, sharing risks and rewards. Real estate holdings can generate passive income through rental properties and benefit from property value appreciation over time. So, whether you explore REITs, joint ventures, or direct property ownership, investing in real estate offers the potential for lucrative financial returns, passive income generation, and long-term wealth building. As you venture into this exciting domain, be sure to research and understand the market, seek advice from experts, and make well-informed decisions to maximize your real estate investment success. Initiating an online store. E-commerce has simplified the process of establishing online stores, whether for unique products or dropshipping collaborations. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy offer accessible entry points with minimal initial investments. The flexibility of e-commerce allows you to tailor your store to reflect your brand and vision. Moreover, the global reach of e-commerce enables you to tap into a vast customer base, transcending geographical boundaries. Whether you're catering to local customers or establishing an international brand, e-commerce allows you to expand your reach and scale your business exponentially. Delight in the convenience of minimal costs compared to traditional brick-and-mortar stores. With just a fraction of the expenses, you can commence selling to a global customer base. Step into the digital era of entrepreneurship, where e-commerce empowers you to turn your business dreams into reality and reach new heights in the world of online retail. Engaging in surveys and market research. Unlock the potential of your spare time by participating in surveys and market research studies. Platforms like Swagbucks and Branded Survey offer rewards for sharing your opinions on various products and services. Enjoy the convenience of user-friendly interfaces, tailoring surveys to match your interests and demographics. Beyond the financial incentives, engaging in market research studies can be a fulfilling way to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in various industries. It's like being part of a global conversation, where your opinions hold real value and contribute to driving improvements in products and services. Seize this chance to earn extra cash while also exerting your influence on the market. Your valuable insights are not only financially rewarding, but also contribute to shaping the products and services you encounter every day. Make your opinions count and seize the chance to be heard in the ever-evolving world of market research. Teaching and tutoring. Discover the fulfilling world of tutoring and share your expertise in a specific subject or skill. Whether it's academics or teaching musical instruments, platforms like Wizant and VIP Kid offer global opportunities to connect with students. Customize your teaching style for one-on-one or virtual classes, providing personalized learning experiences. As an online tutor, you can transcend geographical boundaries and impact students from diverse backgrounds. Beyond the financial rewards, tutoring is deeply gratifying as you witness your students' progress and success. The joy of seeing a struggling student grasp a difficult concept or a novice musician mastering a challenging piece is unparalleled. Your role as a tutor extends far beyond teaching. You become a mentor, a motivator, and a source of inspiration for your students. Embrace this enriching journey to share your knowledge, broaden your teaching horizons, and make a meaningful contribution to the transformative voyage of learning and growth. Gig economy jobs. The gig economy offers quick earnings through various short-term employment options. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Postmates provide instant remuneration, making it easy to earn money whenever needed. Whether driving for ride-sharing services or delivering food, these gigs fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, offering flexibility and control over your schedule. Additionally, the gig economy offers a chance to explore various fields and industries. You can dabble in different gigs, discovering your strengths and preferences while gaining valuable experience. This versatility opens doors to a broader network of potential income streams and skill development. However, it's essential to be mindful of the lack of traditional benefits and job security, requiring careful financial planning and time management. Welcome the gig economy with open arms, cherishing its swift earnings and easy access, while ensuring a delicate equilibrium through responsible planning to maximize the potential of these lucrative opportunities. And there you have it, a comprehensive list of 8 exceptional ways to earn money in your 20s. Whether you aim to repay student loans, save for future goals, or simply have extra spending money, these avenues offer the potential for financial independence. Just remember, consistency, dedication, and a thirst for continuous learning are key ingredients for success in any pursuit you choose. Take hold of these opportunities, establish your goals, and forge the path towards a future filled with prosperity and fulfillment. Feel free to openly share your experiences with any of these methods or add more money-making concepts in the comments section. Your valuable contributions might just become the topic of our next video, as we delve deeper into exploring more ways to earn and thrive in this dynamic world of financial opportunities.